Hi, this is Ivan Marchena, Chief Communication Officer at A-Lens. It's 2025, the crypto market is pumping again, stock indices are falling behind inflation, and everyone's asking the same question: where should I invest right now? But if you look closer at the actual numbers, you will notice a clear trend. Smart money is moving into very specific areas. In this video, I will show you where the big players, funds, and institutional investors are actually putting their money in 2025. And most importantly, I will show you which of these opportunities may be open to you as well. So what are funds actually investing in here in 2025? According to Missouri, Bloomberg, and The Block, the main trends are the following. Real world assets, or RWAs, bring in things like real estate, loans, and invoice onto the blockchain. Web3 infrastructure, tools and services that power the next generation on the internet. Web3 infrastructure, tools and services that power the next generation of the internet. AI combined with finance, smart systems that help manage risk, credit, and capital. P2P models with on-chain proof lending and investing where everything is transparent and recorded on the blockchain. And hybrid system, also called Web 2.5, where traditional and blockchain tech work together. One thing is clear: funds are not chasing the next 100x moonshot. They are looking for solid infrastructure, for stability, for things that actually work and scale. They want tech that can last and bring steady returns. Why RWA and P2P? Why RWA and P2P? So why are funds and more investors turning to RWA and P2P lending? Because it's simple. It's clear and it makes sense. Here's how it works. A real business needs funding. They apply for a loan. Investors provide the funds. The business pay interest. And everything is recorded on chain. And if something goes wrong, the loan is backed by real assets. Those assets can be sold. These aren't hype tokens. These are real explainable transactions. Even my parents will get it, and the numbers back it up. Let me give you a few real examples. BlackRock launched its first tokenized money market fund on Ethereum. It now holds over $1 billion and already runs across different blockchains. Big DeFi players like Ondo, Maple, and MakerDAO are building the tools to make RWA income available to regular investors. The global P2P lending market is now worth $176.5 billion and is projected to grow to over 1.3 trillion by 2034. The total RWA market cap is around 25 billions right now and it's expected to hit 50 billions by the end of this year. That's not speculation, that's real demand. People and institutions want transparency, stability, and real world value. And that's exactly what RWA and P2P offer. What does this have to do with Web3? Let's be clear. Web3 is not just about tokens, it's about building a new kind of financial infrastructure, one that runs on trust, code, and automation. This is exactly where funds are going, to systems where everything is transparent, secure, and global. In Web3 you can check any transaction on chain, no need to trust someone's word. Use a smart contract instead of lawyers, no paperwork, no delay. Operate across borders, no middlemen, no banks. Build direct connection between projects and users, fully automated, fully traceable. Imagine this, a platform that works just like a bank, but without the bank. That's Web3 in action. And at A-Lens, we're building this model too. We're working on our own token, not the kind of coin you buy just to chase 10x returns, but a real infrastructure tool that will make your investment more transparent, more efficient, and easier to manage. This is the future Web3 was meant for, and we are helping building it. That's Web3 in action. And at A-Lens, we are building this model too. We are working on our own token, not the kind of coin you buy just to chase 10x returns, but a real infrastructure tool that will make your investment even more transparent, more efficient, and easier to manage. This is the future Web3 was meant for, and we are helping build it. Why is this available to you now? Not long ago, if you want to be a part of this world, you need a fund, a license, probably a few $millions. But that changed. Today, you can get started with just $100 and do the same things that big funds are doing, just on your level. Thanks to P2P platforms, RWA and Web3, regular people like us now have access to tools that used to be for institutions only. You get on-chain verification, so you always know where your money is. Smart contracts that manage the risk and protect your deal. Fixed payments, clear, scheduled, and automated. And real collateral, like land, equipment, or property backing each loan. And it's working right now, and it's available to you. How to use this trend? Let me leave you with one simple idea. If you want to follow the big money, watch what the funds are doing. And right now, they are investing in infrastructure, in tools that actually work, in systems that bring real steady returns. So take the time to explore. Learn about RWA. Look into P2P platforms and check out how A-Lens is doing it in practice. No, this isn't about chasing 100x coins, but it is about building something stable, something that grows step by step. And that kind of systemic growth, that's the only thing that can truly make you financially free.